I will now demonstrate to you how to calculate the supplementary reinforcement for axial tensile stress when designing an anchor channel compliant with the European technical approval with the aid of the Jordahl expert software. Once the position has been created in the project management, the channel and the T-bolt properties are entered in the next step. In order to display all profile sizes during result output, all channels must be selected here. A 350 mm long anchor channel is used in this example. The element geometry and the concrete properties are entered in the next section. In this case, a front face slab will be modeled. The concrete quality of the detail is C2530 and a cracked concrete is assumed because the anchor channel will be attached in the floor's tension zone. Any concrete body can be formed by entering the edge distances. If the tensile loads on the anchor channel are very high, then you have the option to optimize the concrete strength capacity by entering the additional reinforcement for tensile force in this section. The software has already proposed an 8 mm diameter stirrup positioned directly at the anchor. At this point it is possible to select the bond conditions compliant with the current regulations. Here it is possible to use different stirrups and thus to ensure anchoring even of compact elements such as walls or columns. In this example, two 10 mm diameter stirrups are used per anchor. In a typical facade connection in the floor plane, the concrete component is generally attached to the anchor channel by two T-bolts. A commonly selected T-bolt spacing is 150 mm. In this case, the loads are entered as design loads. If a load pair was selected for input, then each T-bolt will carry a load. A live load of 13.5 kN is taken as wind suction and the dead load of the curtain wall is adopted at 4.0 kN. If the results button is now pressed, the defined system is designed and the software shows the user all possible anchor channels in the results overview. In this example, a JTA 5030 with a length of 350 mm and 3 anchors is presented as an economical solution. The decisive failure case is shown if the emphasized analysis are followed by pressing the plus key. In this case, this is the anchorage failure in the supplementary reinforcement under tensile loads. The overall utilization is given in the interaction in conjunction with the critical failure case under shear loading. Next, the suitable T-bolt is selected. All analyses are output to the output log. The first page includes the input data with the required supplementary reinforcement and the anchorage length. Verifications of the supplementary reinforcement are generated in the output log. All decisive analyses are combined with the aid of the interaction relationship and the utilization factor of the overall system is given. In order to document the results, this log is integrated in the structural analysis of the building as a whole and may be submitted for examination. More tutorials and information on anchor channels can be found on our website at www.jordahl.de.